Alright guys, so I think it is done. I got a couple things I still have to remove. I still have to figure out what signal is sending the security, but it is obviously, it's not really a problem there. But what I want you to see is that, you know, I think you saw them flash up there for a second, the battery and check engine light are gone with this Cummins swap. So basically what I've done is I have two Arduinos connected. I know this is a mess because I'm still prototyping right here. And I'm basically have these guys connected in between the cluster gauge. So if I see a message that says, hey, send the check engine light, I basically ignore it. And I take some other messages and modify them to put what I want to put in there. But the overall solution is really cheap. It's like probably a $30 solution. I think they're like $14 or $15 each, and I have two of them. So it's like a $15, or it's a $30 solution. Man, my brain's not working. Anyway, I'm very happy with it. Works as expected. Actually, it does a few extra things. If you've seen my other videos, it actually controls the transmission. So I have a Chevy transmission in here, and as you saw, hold down. It actually controls sends the transmission CAN bus messages also to the dash. So it does all the above, which is really cool. So I have full control. I've also taken over the boost gauge. I guess I have a lot to talk about. The boost gauge I've taken over, and I have a map sensor right here. Oh, this is so bad. But it's prototyping, so it's just part of it. Where's my map sensor? Right there. And I'll take that pressure and then I will push it out to the boost gauge. So next, what I plan on doing is going ahead and hooking up the coolant sensor, which I don't have hooked up yet. And then I need to remove that security warning light they got right there. And I have one other thing to remove besides that. I have I think it's like an oil reminder change. I'm not sure. I need to figure out what's sending that message and remove it from the list. But after that, it's solid. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.